Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngule Gongeo. I'm with Ubobo, Justice and Khaukhelo helping us with the videography. It was an interesting weekend. On this Monday, we are going to reflect on what happened in some of the major incidents. You've already seen in this video, we played you a video of Sundowns fans shouting Coach Pitso Musimane's name. And then there was another video of Fleming Berg, and then of course there were reports that something was thrown at him. It's very difficult from the video that we've just played you to understand what happened there. But what is clearly happening is that there's some drama at the club. Every time the club doesn't win, it's either the target is Cardoso or Fleming Berg. So with Bobo, we'll ask what is happening at the club. Is he concerned that now the fans are getting angry either at Cardoso or Fleming Berg? And then at some point in the video, we'll talk about Orlando Pirates. They had a massive opportunity to overtake Sundowns, but however, they are on equal points with Sundowns with 29 points each from the weekend. What does that mean for the title race? Orlando Pirates still have a game in hand as well. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us, sir. How are you?
I'm good, Mr. Nkeo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, itingbolise just on Khaukhelo namachita lakho Mr. Nkeo.
Sure. Friday, we were together watching Sundowns against Al Hilal. You were here in Johannesburg. Your team was playing in Mamelodi, of course. Sorry, at Loftus, rather. An incident happened with Fleming Berg. They threw something at him. The score was 2-2. Sundowns did not lose the game. However, and then, of course, there were fans shouting the name of Opitso as well at the end of that game. I'm not going to ask you about things that you don't know. You were not there. But I want to ask you about what is going on. Like, every time Sundowns doesn't win, it seems like there's some drama. If Sundowns buy a Shire, which doesn't happen all the time actually, but if by a Shire Sundowns, then the anger is pointed towards Cardoso. It was a 0-0 draw. It was not even a loss, although the match was not that great. And then now the anger is pointed at Fleming Berg. What's happening? Are you concerned about what's happening?
Yeah, Mr. Nkeo ngiyacabanga ukuthi most of the time Sundowns ngiyacabanga uba nenhlanhla ucoach Cardoso if a drawer or a loser. Mawungabheka especially last year. I-loser ithola Golden Arrows, it was an away game. And mawungabheka abantu base KZN abantu abalambela ama game. They understand ukuthi team uma ifile kumele ifike kubo kumele babe happy than abantu abajwayele ukubukela i-team. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi if bekungaba i-lose bekuzoba worse because yonke into izoyenzeka if Sundowns ya loser or ya drawer
It's getting to that point.
So to be honest with you, Mr. Nkeo, Sundown supporters they are tired Coach Cardoso. They are fed up the way bangakhona because you can't say you are supporting the coach while uma ngabe ya draw ya loser then you am attack.
Yeah.
Kusho kona ukuthi we are not happy with the coach. You're going to be happy if mhlamba ama results ayamvuna ngaleso sikhathi. So kusho kona ukuthi lento enzeka manje ama drama. If Cardoso will continue a draw a loser ekhaya kuzaba namadrama but into esingayikhondoyi Mr. Nkeo angikhondoyi violent mina ukuthi ngaba ne violence stadium because njengoba ngihlala ngisho ngithi kunabantu abatravela nabantwana ukuze stadium banabantu abatravela nabantu besifazane ngikhuluma ngabantu abangekho active uma ngabe kwenzeka izinto even now umdala active uyindoda but uthola sewunenkinga uyang understand so into efana naleya angiboni kuyinto right Mr. Nkeo ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundown supporters must follow the right channel to protest uma ngabe banenkinga na some of ama decision ayenziwa mhlambe umqeqeshi or in but nakhona kumele wazi position yakho njengomlandeli ukuthi mina kuhamba kufike kungibeke la lokho akusala kufuna khona ukuthi ngafika kule simo esifana nalezi so ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho yes I understand supporters they spend their money to go and support ama team wabo but akusho ukuthi unelungelo lokuthi ungagcina wenza izinto ezi wrong because khumbula Mr. Nkeo siyasebenza si attend ama game uzofika lapho wenza into wrong bazokubopha umoshakalelo umsebenzi abantwana bakho balambe ufela you understand ufela izinto emelanga ukuthi mhlambe zinga affect because their team kunabantu abayiranayo we understand we are the part of the team as supporter but akusho ukuthi ugcina wenza izinto ezi wrong so ngiyacabanga ukuthi kunendlela kunama branches ku Sundowns kunama branches wabalandeli so akulandelwe lama channel a right ukuze izikhalo zama supporters kwazi ukufika nako management but yokuthi sekuzofuna ukuthi sishayane senzeni mina I don't promote indaba efana nale Mr. Nkeo omunye umuntu angayibona mhlawumbe I right because kunabantu abathi utshani obulele buvuswa umlilo but ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele ubheke izinto ozenzayo uma ngabe umdala ukuthi le decision engithathayo izongibeka laphi ngakusasa.
It's a scary situation in this sense that, and you've already touched on it, that we are now at a point where the only time Miguel Cardoso and Fleming Berg are safe is when they win. This for me is a scary situation. Do you think that the management is keeping an eye on the situation? Do you think bayibhekile le ndaba, because it was iqale ngoCardoso manje iya Fleming and there was this attack, we saw it. It would have been a rumor, but there's a video clip and we've played it. So it's not a rumor, something happened there. Do you think the management is going to start getting concerned now, even about the safety yabo?
Mr. Nko, 100% sure ukuthi bayibhekile, they understand and they know everything about this ukuthi abalandeli beSundowns abekho happy ngani. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabo kunendlela kumele mhlawumbe imanagement izinto ezifana nalezi izibheke ngenye indlela, we understand, because ekugcineni akumelanga ukuthi igcine sekulimala abantu njengoba usho, but ngicabanga ukuthi njengemanagement ukhumbule ukuthi imanagement ibona izinto thina esingaziboni. Uma ngabe imanagement kune vision mhlawumbe bona angeke mina ngibone njengomlandeli, ngiyobona lento mase yenzeka ukuthi kanti bebenza lento le because of 1 2 3, we understand. So kumele ukuthi mina ngendlela ngibona khona ibe extra careful Mr. Nkewu, because asi ema stadium ngemqondo efanayo. Abanye mhlawumbe siba singaphansi kwesinye isimo la khona ucabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto siyosola sizenzile because kule simo bengikuso ngaleso sikhathi bengekho right. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele babe extra careful entweni esifana nalezo, because angeke sikujabulele ukuthi abantu balimale or ukulimala impahla stadium because of mhlawumbe ngebehavior esinayo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele bayibheke lento le bangayithathi kancane, because ekugcineni umuntu uzophonsa something alimaza umuntu or kulimale lo muntu ongafuni yena. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho akusinto right Mr. Nko. So ngisho ukuthi bayibhekile yonke lento ene bazoyilungisa. Ngiyacabanga namasandawana akusiwo wonke mhlawumbe anga behavior the ways behavior ngakhona njengoba ngisho ukuthi behavior kufana, understand, and ungathola ukuthi sonke sithanda team ngendlela efanayo singama Sundowns, but uthola ukuthi kunabanye mhlawumbe bona kufika la khona ba behave the way ba behave ngakhona, and which is not right Mr. Nke, ukuthi unga behave ngalendlela mhlawumbe la ukutheni ugcinelwe imazo omunye umuntu. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi masandawana azoyilungisa into efana naleyo Mr. Nke.
When I spoke to you, you were one of the few Sundowns fans who said, let Cardoso finish the season. Let him, last season he went to the final of the Champions League. You would want him to do the same thing now and maybe try and win it. That was 2 months ago. Let's revisit that. Where are you now? Are you also with the Sundowns fans that say, this thing is unwatchable? I can't bear it. You're still number one in the league. You are number one in your group, Africa. Where are you in terms of your personal opinion regarding the position of a coach? And there's also umcabango phakathi kwabalandeli beSundowns ukuthi if Cardoso leaves, it must be time for even Fleming now to leave, because he's been employing and hiring and firing coaches so many times. At some point now kuzomela hambe. So where are you in that issue?
Mr. Nkewu, angeke ngijike lento. Wrong no wrong akamenzi right. Ungamkhipha uCardoso. I'm not happy now the way team idlala ngakhona. I'm not happy the way Sundowns ngibona mhlawumbe iqhubekela ngakhona the way ifuna mhlawumbe ukuthola ama results kwamanye amaqembu ne. But the problem is ungamkhipha uCardoso manje. Ubani ozomletha kulesimo esikuso ucabanga ukuthi uzoyenza ngcono. And nakhona lo muntu ozomletha manje.
Abalandeli ukuthi bafuna ba.
But if umemeza ucoach, azofika ucoach abe nama excuse okutshela ukuthi nginike isikhathi. Ngifuna ukulungisa lento. Kugcina mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi nawe awusabi happy. Abaqale the very same coach esimmemezayo.
You are avoiding ukuthi uwrite off season.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi wayengayicedi isizini. If ufuna ukuhambisa umuntu wayengambambisi, I don't think iSundowns position 1 isasekhona CAF Champions League. Angisho isafuna ukudlala iNedbank. So uma ucabanga ukuthi umhambisa manje, lo muntu ozomletha angeke abe nama excuse na ukuthi mhlawumbe akutshele ukuthi no mina ngithole lento seyimoshakeke. You understand? Ngidinga i-pre-season mina. Ngidinga abadlali abathize, because remember mawuletha omunye ucoach manje kunabadlali oceda ukubathenga uspend izimali bangeke bangene kule system ucoach ozomletha manje. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr. Nkewu ungamiyeka uCardoso acedele le season uma ngabe ucabanga ukuthi akukho azokwenza vele miyekelela acedele season, then end season uma iphela ufune the new coach ozoya ne team ku pre-season.
Would you not allow the assistant coach? Normally sometimes teams would say, okay, we want the new coach, We've already signed the new coach, but he'll come next season after a World Cup. But in the meantime, to avoid any further violence, let's allow the assistant coach, Steve Kompela, to continue.
Maybe if kwenzeka bathi uCarlos uyahamba kuMamelodi Sundowns, obviously option ozoba nayo ukuthi unikeze ama assistant wakhe ukuthi aqhubeke, because at least they understand each and every player abakhona kuleya team, unlike yolanda umuntu azocela suka half of the season njengamanje mongathi uyayibheka Mr Nkewu. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuningi kwenzakele kulama game asadlaliwe. So mina ngiyacabanga man, the way ngibona ngakhona ukuthi kufana nokuthi ufuna ukusolve iproblem ngenye iproblem ozoletha ucoach ngalesikhathi. Ngiya understand ukuthi we as supporters we can shout sikudinge sibiza igama lakho Mr Nkewu, but yithi futhi kusasa sizomemeza igama lakho ukuthi uhambe la eteamini. So singabalandeli sinjalo vele, because the very same coach esimemeza manje sike samemeza ukuthi ahambe, imanagement ayizange silalele kuleso sikhathi. Yathini yathi no, we know what we are doing. You understand?
2013 I think.
Exactly.
2012, 2013.
So yabona ukuthi nathi singabalandeli khona la senza khona ama mistake, because if beyisimamela management ngalesa sikhathi ukuthi lo coach akahambe,
you may not have won the Champions League.
you understand, but nathi kumele sisibheke ukuthi sometimes kukhona lokho esingakufuna kungenzeki the way sifuna kwenzeka ngakhona.
But I
management
think, Bob,
ithole right.
I agree with you in many of the things that you're saying, and they're sensible. Even the idea of no violence at the stadium. I think where I disagree with you, or where I would want the management to act, is Cardoso is skating on thin ice. If he loses, they might harm him, physically itself. It's such a bad situation there.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want for that situation to continue. Unless the management, the only way maybe for Sundowns to intervene now is to keep out a statement, but we support the coach, he's not going anywhere, so that the people who are frustrated, the fans, can decide which then we're not coming, So two things must happen. Either the management must support him if they want him, or they must get rid of him, because this situation, amanzi okokuqala or utshwala ku-Fleming Bag is going to escalate to something else.
Ukhuluma iqiniso Mr Nkewu, abalandeli kumele batshelwe imanagement. Uma ngabe ngiyacabanga lokho ukuthi the chairman of the team uyakusho lokho, even though mhlawumbe angayi ku media, but la khona kuba nama activation we Sundowns, la abalandeli be Sundowns bahlangana khona.
Sure.
He's the one o supporter i-technical team eMamelodi Sundowns. Uyakwazi ukusho ukuthi guys, let's support the team, let's support the management, let's trust the players and the management, the technical team. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi konke lokho Mr Nkewu njengathi singabalandeli okunye kumele sikubone noma sibone imanagement inga act ngendlela sifuna ngakhona, kusho kona ukuthi bayayisupporta lento. So let's support the team, let's support the management and the technical team and the players, so that bazo decide ukuthi bona kanjani. Uma ngabe kunendlela ekumele ukuthi sifollow singabalandeli yokuthi okay silandela le ndlela le yokuthi solve izinto ezifana nalezi, let's follow ngalendlela right.
If he loses more games, there will be more trouble there. So it would be nice if the management just release a statement to say we support the coach or we are firing a coach. I'm not telling them what to do, but do something. Say we support the coach or we are firing the coach, and even Fleming Bag as well, if that's what you want to do. But you can't keep quiet because this thing started with the Cardoso and his bus. It was quiet, no statement, and then something else happens, quiet, no statement. Something bigger can happen as well. If you're a Sundowns fans, please make sure that you comment on this content. Do you agree with what we're saying? Do you agree with what's happening at your club? What would you like for your club to do as well? It's strange, of course, because yes, Sundowns is not playing well, but we're talking about a team that's number one, and they're also number one in their group in Africa. So it's not Sundowns is declining in terms of Uglala. It's not watchable that much. It's not nice, actually. It was very late that night when we watched them. It was not nice, enjoyable game, even though 4 goals were scored. But they're not backsliding to number 8 or number 9 in the league and all of that. So Cardoso is still stringing in or stringing along some results. So maybe your management will intervene and not only intervene in your branches, but make a statement that the whole South Africa and every media house can print and say this is what Sundowns is saying. They are continuing. Just like Kaizer Chiefs, we may not agree with them, but they said siyaqhubeka ngama interim coaches. And that's it. Whether you want another coach or not, they said we are continuing with these interim coaches until the end. At least it provides clarity that they are not going to change any coach between now in the end of the season. Unless maybe they lose 10 games in a row, maybe it might change their mind. Let's move on then to Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, of course, in the picture of the title race. Sundowns were playing in Africa on Friday. On Saturday, Orlando Pirates were playing against Skukune. Skukune are going to play Sundowns, actually, midweek as well. So Skukune are like the kingmakers of South African football. We'll see how they play against Mamelodi Sundowns midweek. But we watched them this past weekend against Orlando Pirates. It was a 0-0 draw. Both teams deserved a 0-0, but Orlando Pirates could have had 1 or 2 penalties. Orlando Pirates maybe could have scored 1 goal. Sibelebele had a glorious opportunity to make that 1-0. What does that mean then for the picture of the league, Bobzit? Of course, we can't be getting carried away because it's still 29 points each, and Pirates have a game in hand as well. But I could sense from the weekend, Uguti, Amapagania, they are a little bit disappointed.
Yeah, Mr. Nkew, kule title race, Mr. Nkew, ngiyacabanga ukuthi we must also look at i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, kulama team efana ne-Pirates ne-Sundowns. You know why I'm saying
because for life.
It's because of Mr. Nkew. Uma ungabheka Chiefs this season, ba change lento bekade bayenza. They are winning ama games bebangakhona ukuwawina. Remember Chiefs last season, last season ukuya ngale. Bekunama game la ucabanga ukuthi bangawawina. They so called a small team but bebawa loser. But ngiyacabanga ba rectifyile lokho. And now khumbula ukuthi a game is an A game. I don't think iPirates ne-Sundowns banga collector 6.6 point ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
You understand? So kukhona lokho kuzenzeka la kulama team because I'm happy the way ngibona iLoki mengakhona. Kusho kona ukuthi sicine idala ukubona iLoki bengalendlela ingakhona. Siyayibona isikhukhuni ikhona lapha ku number 4, ku number 3 I mean to say, but into number 4 I mean to say into engakutshela ngesikhukhuni ukuthi kuyofika labadlali bakhathala khona. Nangendlela mhlawumbe le team ingakhona akubeka abalandeli abangayiphusha leya team ukuthi each and every game lebayiphushe ukuthi win.
Yeah.
So ngizama ukutshela ukuthi sikhukhune kungaba ebholeni imihlola iyenzeka bangayiwina but into engakutshela ukuthi akukho lula, but now when Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns balapha phezulu kuyoba nzima wena Mr. Nkew ukuthi team efana nabo Sikhukhuni because even though bangawubhitha lama team lawo but ngiyacabanga ukuthi bench labo normally enough alikho enough ngalendlela ukuthi so but uma singaya
depth is a problem.
Yeah,
we saw that
in
in that Pirates game that they needed someone. Makphumo Ramala eqaleni kwe-game. Bafaka uMagalo amadoda. It just looked like he's injured.
Yeah.
And it was their best player last season as well. They need attacking reinforcement. And Ivalile for the transfer window, I don't think that they did enough in terms of reinforcing. Let's talk about Chiefs then, and also the two that we think are in the title race. Why would you add Chiefs there as well?
Ngi-add the way i-change ngakhona this season Mr. Nkew njengoba ngiceda ukukutshela ukuthi i-change iwina amagame engamelanga iwawine and nangendlela ngibona mhlawumbe i-Sundowns idropa ngakhona amadlalela ayo kusho kona ukuthi anything can happen when you play against Kaizer Chiefs. It's not like
we've already dropped points actually against them. Unabi, if you remember when he was still here, Chiefs played 1-1. I remember you were saying that let's not talk about this as if Chiefs won. And at that time, Bespashayeli is under because they were poor.
Yeah.
But they managed to get a point against Sundowns.
Yeah. So, Mr. Nkew, kuyoba nzima njengoba ngisho. So, i-team efana ne-Pirates, ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya draw esikhukhuni abantu abaningi baqala ukuyidoubt i-team efana ne-Orlando Pirates ukuthi hawu njengoba Orlando Pirates besicabanga ngathi mhlambe izobuyela lapha kulokho iyohlala ku position 1.
Yeah.
But khumbula ukuthi we only played 13-14 games. Kusane indlela ende Mr. Nkew ekumele sihambe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi more than 55% of games. You understand? So kusho kona ukuthi sisazokhuluma Sundowns, Chiefs, Pirates kusazoba nama draw. Kungenzeka kube nama lose kulama team. Kube nama win njengoba vela azoba khona. So ngizama ukusho ukuthi akumelanga ukuthi game e1 imele isichange imqondo sonke ukuthi ay man because the team le manje icethe ukudraw icethe ukulose kusho ukuthi ayisekho ku race.
I think there was a lot of panic from Pirates fans. Maybe it comes from expectation. Because I think that those two games in hand, if we win these two games in hand, we will be 5 points clear of Sundowns. And I think maybe that's also part of football, that of course you count your chickens before they hatch, and that's a mistake. I don't think, and I kept on saying when we were shooting those videos, it's not like Uadu lost 4 matches in a row. He just drew 1 game. But of course, if he had won that game, the game in hand, so Amapagani sebebalile 5 points, and I think that's where the disappointment was coming from.
Uyazi buyaphi leyo Mr. Nkew kulama signing Orlando Pirates. signing Orlando
the
Pirates.
January signings as well.
Abalandeli Orlando Pirates ba expect more. Remember Coach Rivero, he fought ngal team ebekanayo angana depth. But now bathenge quality players and cishe kuwonke lama position bazamile ukuthi bazame ukuthi kube ne depth. So already abalandeli beOrlando Pirates ba expect more from Coach Wade ukuthi akwenze because the quality anayo manje quality enough ukuthi he can win the league. And uyayibona neSundowns manje ukuthi iloki busy iyalimpa the way ilimpa ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi iadvantage yeOrlando Pirates ukuthi ingazama ukuthi ivule igap.
Maybe the other thing, just as you mentioned Sundowns actually, maybe the other point of frustration is that Pirates fans know who they're fighting against. They know that these ones, these beasts, these bastards, they've won the league 8 times in a row. And we have a chance to extend to 5 points against them. We cannot miss that opportunity. And I think that's maybe where the panic is coming from. Because they understand the size of the task. It's a gigantic endeavor. You're scaling up a mountain. And there's no time we are still climbing the mountain. So we need to focus on this task. And I think that Pirates fans will have breathed better when they look at you, you are 5 points behind. And Cardoso, no Fleming back, all of the drama that is happening. This is the frustration maybe also with South Africa. With all the drama that's happening, you are still in that picture. And that's the difficulty. Because I want you to not win the league, me. Many Chiefs fans don't want you to win the league. Pirates fans don't want you to win the league. You are the only one who wants to win the league.
Why don't you Sundowns to win the league?
Because you've won it 8 times in a row. Me, I'm a content creator. I can't congratulate the same champion every year.
Why don't blame Labanta Bangafunu?
No, I'm not blaming you. You as Sundowns, you must do your job.
Yes.
But me as a content creator, there's a point where I can't sing the same song.
I understand.
I imagine Nasser Jermaine when Bayern was winning 11 times in a row. They were praying Baba Fe to send Leverkusen and the Bayer Leverkusen game number 12. Season number 12, win unbeaten. So Tina, as content creators and storytellers with football, we want to be able to tell stories. We want to be able to sell this PSL to Africa Yonkana City. Okay, Tina, we have 3 teams. They are very good. Any of them can win the league. We know Sundowns are the best in terms of Uglala. Pirates are the second best as well in terms of Uglala. And Chiefs are the 3rd or 4th best in terms of Uglala. Although they're the biggest in terms of Uglandelwa. But to justify Ubukhulu be league yetu, we must be able to occasionally say, Pirates won it, Chiefs won it, Sundowns won it. And ukhumbule historically, we've never had the situation. You've always won it 3 times, SuperSport 3 times, Sundowns Buya Footy 3 times, never 8 times in a row. So me as a journalist, as a storyteller in South African football, I need to be able to tell a different story. I can't shoot the same movie all the time. I would love for a different winner to win. That's why when you look at Pirates, you're like, this would be nice. Even last year, it would have been nice to win, but they couldn't carry themselves. The other thing is that whilst you guys have drama, you could still win it. And that's disappointing because it tells you at your worst day as a Sundowns, you are still South African champion. At your worst day, you are still a South African champion.
Mr. Nkeo, not only our content creators, even football lovers, it's not nice to win a team A1. You win a league by 8 in a row. Sometimes it feels like Bora corner because Pele League, Orlando Pirates, you have 4 games.
Last season they played 4 matches after 30 games.
Sometimes it
meant nothing.
The team wins the league out of honor. Games 6. It's boring because the 6 games njengoba usho yila khona abantu bekumele ngabe mhlamba bona something. That is why I'm happy mangibona le lock ime ngakhona. Yila ngifuna ukubona bonke labaqeqeshi banginikeze something ngibona ukuthi they understand ukuthi manje sikuphi sifighter nabantu abanjani. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr. Nkeo ngendlela uyibeya ngakhona kusazoba nzima lapha kule log Mr. Nkeo. Uma ungabheka into ngakhona and ngifuna ukukusho lokho. Singayi right off i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs because when they play against Sundowns and Pirates kuyoba kuyi-A game, anything can happen. What if Chiefs yenza lama team O2 drop ama point, you only collect ama point, you understand?
Yeah, that's another factor as well. And I remember I said this before off camera to someone, Uguti. One of the challenges the Pirates in the league is that if the Pirates compete in the Sundowns good league, the Pirates idlala a game engeke Sundowns idlala. It's a Soweto derby. Soweto derby ungayidonsa Chiefs number 16 good league. You tell them tomorrow they're playing Soweto derby. and they play them twice in a year, in a season, in a league season, Chiefs will give you their best performance. And this is the game that Sundowns doesn't have to play.
Yeah.
In that fight, Chiefs might be a kingmaker. I don't see them as kings, and I don't think that even Chiefs themselves see themselves as kings because they didn't strengthen this January. It doesn't tell you that they're hungry for it. I think the way that Chiefs are looking at this is to say, last year, Nonabi, we lost 12 matches, Besu number 10. It's an improvement that we're number 4 or number 3. And I think that's the management and the way they see it.
Yeah.
Tina, as South Africa, we think that's a lost opportunity because you are only 2 points away from the top or 3 points away from the top. If all games in hand are played, you are only 5 games away. But anyways, let's wrap it up, Bobsit. Your opinion is that it's still too early to call it. There's no need to panic for even Orlando Pirates fans.
Yes. Kusasa eli Mr. Nkeho, kusasa eli njengoba ngisho ngithi kuningi sisazokhuluma mhlawumbe sibona iloko njengoba ngitshele uShane ukuthi ngibona iyoyo lapha kuzoba kwenza so njengamanje Sundowns mayodlala iPirates idlala i-catch up game iyagibela iya-position izinto ezifana nalezo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi kusasa eli ukuthi singajaja Mr. Nkeho but into engaziyo ukuthi lesilwane esihlezi lapha phezulu they know how to play under pressure. Into engakutshela ngayo ngeSundowns the more amagame abamaningi they understand ukuthi yini kumele ukuthi bayenze so asazi mhlambe kule season ngaba khona ama changes but ngisho ukuthi sizoba ne-league emnandi this season esigcine ekudala ukuyibona.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bobsit. It's been around 13 years 13 years since Orlando Pirates won the league, since 2012. It's going on 14 years. 2015 was 11 years ago when Stuart Baxter won the league with Kaizer Chiefs. So it's quite a long time. In fact, the last team to win the league that's not Sundowns is Bidvest, and Bidvest does not exist anymore. Itiski TV, Itiski Times. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.